Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make this crochet big size coasters. You can use this coaster in your cushion cover. You can attach this coasters flowers in the center of the cushion cover, and you can hang it in your wall also. And this is very simple and easy pattern of the crochet. Let us start how to make this. For this project I am using the cotton yarn. This yarn specially used for crochet project, and one 2.25 mm crochet hook. And one craft scissor. Let us start. You make one slip knot, and make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. This 3 chain count as a first double crochet, and then I am going to the 4th chain from my hook and make 1 double crochet. And I am working the same stitch, another DC or double crochet. Make 12 double crochet in the same stitch. I have completed my 12 double crochet, and then join it in the beginning chain. This is the 3rd chain. Here I am joining it. I have joined it. For the second round you make 3 chain, count as a first double crochet, and then make one double crochet, one more double crochet in the same stitch. And then go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet or double crochet or DC. You repeat 2 double crochet in this every stitch in this round. After that you join it with slip stitch in the beginning 3rd chain. Here you join it with slip stitch. This is the second round complete. For third round, make 3 chain, count as a first double crochet and go to the next stitch and make only one. You make the 3 chain, count as a first DC and then go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet. The next stitch you make only one double crochet and then the next stitch you make 2 double crochet and you repeat the same stitch, same pattern in this round. You repeat it. I have completed my third round and for fourth round make 3 chain, count as a first DC and go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet and go to the next stitch, make 2 double crochet and you repeat the pattern in this round. You make 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches and the third stitch you make 2 DC. You repeat it. Hello friends, I have completed my fourth round and then if you want to make the big size then you increase 1 or 2 more stitches of the DC stitch. And then start from here. Here I have joined it with slip stitch and make 5 chains, 3, 4 and 5 chains and you skip the very first stitch and go to the second stitch and make 1 single crochet and then make 5 chains and then you skip the next one and go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet and you repeat the same stitch in this round. 5 chain, skip next stitch, go to the next and make 1 single crochet. Now repeat it. Then this is the last stitch of this round. Here you make 2 chain and go to the, you skip the next stitch. Here you go to the next and make 1 double crochet and then for next round make 1 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and go to the next loop and make one single crochet and then make 5 chain and go to the next loop and make one single crochet and you repeat the same pattern in this round. Hello friends, I have completed my second round loops, 5 chains, 1 single crochet in the next loop and you repeat the same pattern, and this is the last loop. Here you make only 2 chains and then you make 1 DC and a DC in the here you make the DC stitch. And then you repeat the same pattern, same stitch, 2 more lines or 2 more rounds. I have completed my 4 round of the loops pattern. This is the loop pattern, and then I am making the last round of this flower. Make 5 single crochet in every loop loops, and this is the single crochet stitch. Here you make 1 slip stitch and then go to the next loop and make 5 single crochet. And then go to the single crochet stitch. Here you make 1 slip stitch and you repeat the same pattern in this round. Hello friends, I have completed my this coaster's flower, and this is very beautiful pattern and easy pattern. You can make it, and you can attach these coasters in your cushions. It looks very beautiful and you can try it, and please subscribe my channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.